So if you don't hear nothing else, hear this, man of God. Fix up your folly. You're in the same space with your brothers and sisters and not chat to them or only talk to them because you must talk to them, because you have to talk to them because of the nature of the job. But God is giving you time to fix it up. Hallelujah. You're either with God or not with God. And if you're with God, you follow God. If you don't know anything else, turn it inside out. Would you like God to malice you for what you do to him? That's the best way to measure it. Put it back to God. So with all our me do to God, should God treat me like how me I treat my brother and sister? And if you come up with God, say, yeah, God will do the same thing. You're the devil's child. Hallelujah. The same thing you would want God to do for you, do it for your brother and sister. And if you have a problem with that, you have a heart issue that needs to go to the altar and deal with. Don't let God come find you with this evil heart.